Is it even possible to be eating 100-calorie meals? I mean, that's like 1 tablespoon of mayo.
Bruh.
Or just 2 Oreos.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's not a lot of food. So how is it even possible? Well, anything is possible on this channel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 100-calorie meal ideas that is satisfying, fulfilling, and keeps you away from binge eating, which we all know we're trying to get away from. And as well, keeping you full as long as possible, so these meals are perfect for a weight loss diet. Or if you're looking for a good snack to eat to keep you full for quite some time, that's 100 calories, these meals are perfect. Alright, let's get into the video. Let's not waste any more time. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you haven't already. Alright, let's begin. So the first meal is going to be eggs and zucchini. Only 2 ingredients, easy to make and delicious and fulfilling. This is how you make it. So first we're going to be getting an egg, which has 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of healthy fats, and 1 gram of carb, total of 73 calories, and we're going to boil it. If you guys had boiled eggs before, you guys know how fulfilling it really is. Like, it's really fulfilling. It's actually more fulfilling than frying eggs for some reason. But boiling eggs does keep you full for quite some time. So we're going to go ahead and boil 1 egg, and while that's being boiled, we're going to get 160 grams of zucchini, and we're going to chop that up and we're going to put it into the air fryer. The 160 grams of zucchini has about 30 calories, 2 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. Zucchinis are just fulfilling and they keep you full for a very long time, and they're extremely healthy for you. So they work beautifully with eggs to keep you full for quite some time. Once that's finished baking and the boiled egg is boiled, it should look something like this. The total calories here is 101, and the total macros you're getting here is 8 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fats, and 2 grams of fiber. And you guys should be full for about 45 minutes. The high healthy fats, which is about 5 grams, and 2 grams of fiber with the protein will work together to keep you full for only 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your metabolism, because again, it's 100 calories. It's not a lot of calories, but the macros are there to support fulfillment. So that's meal number 1, very easy to make and delicious. The second meal is more yummier in my opinion, and easier to make and more fun. It's gonna be Jello with Greek yogurt. But pay close attention to how I make this Jello, is how you're going to determine how many macros you're gonna get, because Jello doesn't have much calories. So you have to know how many portions of water you're gonna put in to make the right amount of Jello to fulfill with the Greek yogurt. First things first, we're gonna put a packet, which is about 20 grams of Jello, any flavor you guys want, into the bowl. And this has about 4 grams of carbs, which is about 16 calories. No fats, no protein, no fiber, just 4 grams of carbs. So usually when you guys make Jello, you guys should be putting maybe like 1/3 of a cup of cold water. But here I put 1/3 cup of cold water and 1/3 cup of boiling water, excuse my hand there, just to have more Jello. Now it does make it more liquidy than regular Jello that you guys are used to, but trust me on this, it's going to be good. So then we're going to go ahead and stir it like how we usually stir Jello, and then put it in the fridge for about some time until it's nice and ready. Once it's nice and ready, we're going to put 128 grams of Jello inside a cup, and we're going to put 150 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, which this has about almost 90 calories, 15 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fats, making this meal only 97 calories, so below 100 calories, so you can add more Jello if you like. The total macros here is 15 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fat. And guys, it's quite fulfilling because the Greek yogurt is casein protein. It is dairy, so it's gonna take some while for your body to digest that. Your body's gonna be in quite a bit of work trying to break down the proteins and such. So you're gonna be full for about, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour tops. Actually, no, you may be full actually a bit longer than that as well, because Greek yogurt takes quite some time for your body to digest. But let's just say for an hour, just to be safe. The third meal is also going to be very simple. It's going to be just regular Greek yogurt with blueberries. So again, we're going to be getting 150 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, and we're going to be putting 20 grams of blueberry there, which has 3 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fiber, total of only 12 calories. And the total calories you're getting here is 101, with the total macros being 15 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fats, and 1 gram of fiber. Again, because we're using Greek yogurt here, it takes a while for your body to digest that, so I'm gonna say 45 minutes to an hour, you should be full. The fourth meal of the day, and this is one of my favorites, I love to make this delicious, even for a snack for myself, it's gonna be zucchini with some cheese. Check it out, man, because this is some good stuff. First, we're going to be getting 2 small zucchinis, which is about 236 grams, and this is about 40 calories, 3 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. We're going to be chopping that up, and we're going to soak it in 1 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, which only has 9 calories, but it does have 1 gram of healthy fats. Olive oil is healthy for you, great. It actually helps you accelerate weight loss, man. Olive oil has so much good benefits. You should not skip it just because it has a high calorie count. We're gonna do that with the olive oil, and once it's nice and soaked, we're gonna get 2 tablespoons or 12 grams of Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna just, put that all over the zucchini, man. We're gonna just put it all over, as you guys see in the video. This has about 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat, total of 56 calories. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the oven or air fryer, however you guys like, and it should come out something like this. And look how good that looks, guys. Like, Jesus Christ. It tastes like 10,000 times better than chips. I mean, I know I shouldn't compare it to chips, but it just tastes so good, man. It just tastes so good. The total calories you're getting here is 105, and it has about 8 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fats, and 2 grams of fiber. You should be full for about 45 minutes to an hour. Maybe even longer, because the zucchini takes a while for your body to digest, because the vegetable is such a good vegetable, man. And they got cheese as well, which is high on fats, which that's going to take some time to digest as well. Which you also have the olive oil, which that'll obviously contribute to the longness and fullness of your stomach. Moving on to the last meal, it's going to be blueberry strawberry ice cream. This is how you make it, and it's quite delicious. So check it out. So obviously we can't just make 100 calorie worth of ice cream, because it's gonna be a lot of work for so little, so it's not worth it. So it's good to make a good amount, put it in the freezer, and have it every other night. So first we're gonna be getting a processing blender, and we're gonna put 100 grams of frozen strawberries, only 36 calories with 1 gram of protein, 8 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber, full of antioxidants and vitamins. Following up with that, we're gonna put 20 grams of blueberry in there, which has only 12 calories, and again, full of antioxidants, so good for the body, immune system, die COVID. So it's really good for you. Alongside with that, we're gonna put 150 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt again. Now, I know this is a recurring ingredients into these calorie meal ideas, but hey, man, non-fat Greek yogurt, man, it's just so fulfilling, and it's high on protein, and it does keep you full for a long time, and it does so many things at once, because it's this Greek yogurt, man. It's full of protein, takes a long time to digest, and it's just overall very good tool, or a good yogurt or food to use to combat weight loss. It really is. After the Greek yogurt is in, we can put 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein, but this is optional here, but I do it here because high protein diets when it comes to weight loss is very important, and I recommend you do it. But if you guys don't want to, you guys really don't have to. And this is about 113 calories with 24 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fats. We're gonna go ahead and blend it up, and it should look something like this. It just looks so good right off the bat. The whole thing here, the total calories is 309, with the total macros being 38 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 3 grams of fiber. Now, obviously, we're not gonna have the whole thing now, right? It'll be too much anyways if you want to have the whole thing now. So what we're gonna do here is get 3.5 scoops of it, and this is about 101.5 calories, with the total macros being 3 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. And because it's ice cream and it's cold, you should be full for about an hour to an hour 15. I'm not gonna lie, it does keep you full for quite some time. If strawberry and blueberry isn't your forte when it comes down to ice cream, check out this video here. It's like 4 different flavors of this ice cream. Again, great for weight loss, healthy and great for weight loss. So check it out. You won't be disappointed. And voila, that's how you guys eat 100 calories in a meal in a healthy way and in a fulfilling way. And quite honestly, guys, it takes you less than 10 minutes, except for the Jello one and the ice cream one takes a bit longer than that. But they don't take long at all, and it's quite satisfying. I mean, less than 10 minutes of work and you're full for about an hour. That's a great deal. And you get to lose weight, and you get to look good and feel good. I think it's just a wonderful deal, guys. This is the wonderful deal. So go ahead and try out these meals, and come back to this video and comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it, because I'm pretty excited that you're gonna enjoy all of it. Like all of it. I'm pretty confident you're gonna enjoy all of it. And if you guys are this far, that means you guys have enjoyed this video, so go ahead and smash that like button, because I think I deserve it. But if you guys really did enjoy this video, check out this 200 calorie meal ideas, 300 calorie meal ideas, and 400 calorie meal ideas. You guys won't be disappointed. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.